Although the market performance of ADA has been disappointing, the total value of assets locked, TVL, within the Cardano DeFi ecosystem has experienced a nearly threefold increase in 2023. On recent weeks, market mood has been adversely affected by disputes on regulatory matters. However, it is anticipated that a significant barrier to selling, known as a buy wall, may soon be encountered by those who hold a pessimistic outlook on the market. According to on-chain ownership measurements, there has been a 5% increase in the share held by long-term investors during the second half of the observed period. This trend indicates the intention of these investors to consolidate their holdings and diversify their investments within the ecosystem. Although the price performance of Cardano, ADA, has been lackluster, the total value locked, TVL, within its native DeFi ecosystem has experienced a significant increase of about thrice in the year 2023. This study conducts a thorough examination of on-chain data to examine the potential influence of total value locked, TVL, expansion on the future pricing dynamics of ADA. The price of Cardano, ADA, exhibited a favorable commencement to the year 2023, reaching its highest point of 45 cents in the middle of April. However, starting with the second quarter, the price of Cardano has been significantly affected by a high level of fear, uncertainty, and doubt, FUD, arising from disputes related to regulatory matters. Nevertheless, the analysis of on-chain data indicates that the situation for Cardano is not entirely negative. Despite the decline in Cardano price, the total value locked, TVL, in decentralized finance, DeFi, has continued to experience significant growth. ADA has experienced a fall of 36% from its highest point in 2023, which was observed on April 17, with the current price being at 29 cents. In contrast, the Cardano decentralized finance, DeFi, ecosystem has seen a divergent trajectory. Based on DeFiLlama's analysis, it is seen that the total value locked, TVL, in Cardano has experienced significant growth in the second half of 2023, despite ongoing regulatory disputes. As of August 15, the total value locked, TVL, in Cardano amounts to $177.83 million, indicating a substantial growth rate of 250% during the year 2023. TVL is an acronym that stands for Total Value Locked. The TERM total value locked pertains to the aggregate value of assets presently held and employed within a decentralized finance, DeFi, ecosystem. The total value locked, TVL, serves as a significant metric for assessing the comprehensive economic activity and intrinsic worth of projects constructed on the Cardano blockchain network. Although the immediate price movement of the native token may not be directly influenced, an upward trend in total value locked, TVL, signifies a substantial increase in adoption, indicating fundamental growth. However, as demonstrated previously, the total value locked, TVL, in Cardano has experienced significant growth since the aforementioned milestone occurrence. The observed positive divergence between the price and total value locked, TVL, suggests a continuous increase in network demand and reinforces the underlying usefulness of the Cardano ecosystem. Moreover, in the event that the total value locked, TVL, continues to expand, it has the potential to provide investors with confidence in the long-term sustainability of ADA amidst the ongoing regulatory dispute. Long-term investors in the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, have demonstrated resilience. Moreover, the analysis of on-chain ownership indicators indicates that long-term investors of Cardano have maintained a favorable outlook. According to the balances by time-held data provided by Into the Block, it can be observed that prior to the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, initiating legal proceedings against Binance on June 5, the proportion of ADA coins in circulation that were held by long-term investors amounted to 27.71%. As of the time of composition, namely on August 15, the current ownership of the aforementioned equities amounts to 31.86%. This data indicates that there has been a 4% increase in the ownership of ADA among Cardano's long-term investors following the occurrence of regulatory uncertainty. Wallet addresses that have retained their coins for a minimum duration of 1 year are considered to be long-term holders. An elevated balance of long-term investors is generally regarded as a positive indicator due to their tendency to keep on to their investments for longer periods of time, resulting in less frequent selling of their holdings. In summary, the observed growth in total value locked, TVL, and the accumulation of long-held coins over a sustained decline in prices indicate that investors in Cardano are inclined towards consolidating their holdings and diversifying within the ecosystem, rather than opting to exit their positions. Therefore, the growth in Cardano's total value locked, TVL, may potentially have beneficial and it is anticipated that the residual demand resulting from the growth in total value locked, TVL, would contribute to ADA's ability to sustain the support level of 25 cents. The in/out of money, IMAP, data provides insights into the spatial distribution of current Cardano holders, specifically inside the 20% price bounds. The statement supports the hypothesis that the price of ADA is expected to stabilize at a level higher than 25 cents in the upcoming weeks. It is apparent that a total of 40,920 individuals or entities have acquired 1.9 billion ADA coins, with each coin being purchased at a minimum price of $0.27. If they maintain their position as anticipated, it is possible that they may initiate a rapid increase in prices. However, in the event that the aforementioned support level is breached, it is plausible that the subsequent resistance barrier at 26 cents may serve as a deterrent to a potential widespread selling frenzy. However, in the event that regulatory pressure diminishes, it is plausible that the growth of the total locked value, TLV, might potentially drive the price of ADA towards the value of 35 cents. Nevertheless, it is evident from the aforementioned data that a group of 121,000 addresses collectively acquired a substantial amount of 1.14 billion Cardano coins at the highest recorded price of 32 cents. The bears may strategically establish a sell wall within that particular zone with the intention of inducing a downward movement in the market. However, in the event that the aforementioned resistance level fails to sustain, ADA may potentially decline towards the value of 35 cents.